If you're having a tough time putting your hook through any V's or stitches, or bringing your hook through the loops on your hook, then it probably means you're crocheting too tightly. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to crochet looser stitches so that overall it'll be a less frustrating experience. The other thing to keep in mind with crochet is that ironically, the more frustrated you get and the more tense you get, the more difficult it's going to become, because you'll naturally just make things tighter and then make the stitches tighter, which just compounds on the problem. So overall, first tip is relax. Everything's going to be okay. So if you have trouble putting a hook in a stitch, like at this point, putting it in a V, unfortunately, there's not much you can do besides undoing your stitches until you can get rid of that V and then redo that stitch. So you can watch the video on how to undo stitches safely. Let's say now you have fixed that so that you're back to some stitches that aren't too tight, so you can keep on crocheting. First thing you gotta check, and basically the thing that determines how tight your stitches are gonna be, is the size of the loop on your hook. Anytime there is a loop on your hook, that loop determines the size of the upcoming stitch. So you want the size of this loop on your hook to always be slightly bigger than the tip of your hook. And to make that loop bigger, this loop is controlled by the working yarn. So remember, if you pull your finger away, it makes things tighter. If you bring your finger closer, it makes things looser, but since I just made things tighter, it doesn't actually loosen this part. So to make this looser, I'm gonna pull my hook away from the piece a little bit, like so. And now when you're crocheting, keep a very close eye on the size of the loops on this hook. That's why every time you're done with a stitch, you'll want to bring the loops down your hook. All right, I'm gonna show you that in action. So we've made sure this loop is a good size. That's step number one. Now we're gonna do a single crochet stitch by putting our hook in the V. So we've got 3 loops on the hook. Then we're gonna yarn over. And now we're gonna pull it through the V. If you have a tough time doing this, remember to pull the piece and the hook apart so you artificially make that gap under the V a bit bigger. And then rotate your hook downwards so it can clear that V a bit. Now rotate the tip of your hook to face you. All right, here's tip number 2 on how to make looser stitches. When you're just beginning, you're often very excited that you've made it past that point and want to keep on crocheting. You got to take the time to move that loop, that's that new loop on the hook, down your hook. So remember how I said that the loops, the size of the loops on the hook determine how tight your stitches are. And see, look at how different the size is of your hook down here by the tip versus over here, which is called the shaft. And that's why you want to always remember to bring the loop all the way down here. If you get used to doing this, this is way too tight for your hook to be able to easily make it through. Okay, so now we've got 2 loops roughly the same size, and that size is a little bit bigger than the diameter of the tip of the hook. Great. Now we're going to yarn over again and bring that yarn through both loops on the hook, which should be much easier now that we paid close attention to the size of that. So again, now we're left with 1 loop on the hook. Remember, don't leave that loop at the tip of your hook. Bring that loop down the hook, and then even feel free to pull the hook away a little bit to make the diameter of that loop a little bit bigger. And you've completed 1 single crochet stitch that's hopefully not as tight as the other ones. And you just over time will get used to the right amount of tension to have. In the beginning, I would recommend like being real obsessive about watching the size of these loops and trying to get them consistent so that you'll have consistent looking stitches that are also loose enough for your hook to get into in the future.